as I said, this whole set of 4 kits is the pink set, which is kind of confusing. And we're working on the pink design, pink fabric today, and for several days actually. I've already told you that the pattern is already printed on the fabric, and I just showed you how to put the fabric inside your embroidery hoop. I would never try to do embroidery without an embroidery hoop because it'll bunch up and be just as disgusting as possible. Now, this little instruction sheet comes with a separate instruction kit comes with each set. This is the instruction sheet that comes with this pink design, and you see what we're going to be working on. We're going to be working on the stem stitch, the back stitch, the running stitch, split stitch. On this one, we're going to start with the running stitch. I've already said this, and I believe this. The running stitch it's fundamental to any, so you can sew the hole that in your shirt with a running stitch. It's just the most fundamental sewing stitch there is. Now, next to that, you're going to see this little code here. You're going to see 04 2 strands. Well, this is your embroidery twine that came with that with your kit. And there's the 04. It's a real pleasant kind of limeish olive green. That's the 04 right there. So, but we're gonna have to break that down into two strands, and I'm gonna do that in the next video.